what we call that, a phrases machine. Oh, me nothing, work, 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 work. I am a have a phrases food. I buy that, and then it's easy. That's why, you know, it's easy to make. But you need to cook 35 to 40 minutes. Even the leche plan, hi pasang, the leche plan. I know now how to perfect leche plan. Oh my god, what's that? It's so yummy, the leche plan. You know what? That's why here I buy lumpia and siomai. I'm not like in the Philippines lumpia and siomai. It's not look like the taste. Hi Noe. Oh, thank you. Hi Sir Clemson guy. Thank you. Thank you. So, baby, thank you for the tap, guys. Thank you so much. Oh, my pimples look. I have to. Oo nga, mas maraming bastos sa pills. Pero kahit days pa lang ako dito, nawiling ako nanood dito. Bakit ang pinanood nyo? Oh, I'm not always eating pork. Fish. Only sometimes. High machine. Sometimes because we need a fish in our body. I need fish in my body. I need that for my my skin. Bakit ano pinanood mo? Oh, chika ka naman. Excited ako. Hi. Thank you. Na-excite sa ano? Na-excite sa ano ba yan? Hi, Abraham. Naranasan ko kasi dyan kaya when I'm in the Philippines, I always work home, work home. Only Sunday I go. Also yung video na. Oh yeah. Oh wow. Thank you for the 2026. Really need that. Hi Abraham. Hello to. Also yung na dito yung tinginan lang ba? Yeah. Diyan. Tapos yung pagdamit mo ganito, yes sir, later. Pag ganito, grabe, gaganunin ka pa niyan oh. Nakagana yan ha, hindi yan nakabuka. Nakaganito yan. Gaganon yan oh. Titingnan pa yan dyan. The other Filipino is like that. I go outside and then my eyes use like this. Gaganon yan oh. Nakaganito yan ha, nakatiklop yan. Ganyan oh. Nakatiklop yan. Thank you, sir. Ganon. Tapos pag naka-short ka naman, gaganunin yan. Ganon sila. Kaya hindi ako masyadong naglalabas. I'm not always outside in the Philippines. I always home, work home. And I'm rushing, go home. I'm running because I'm walking. Hi, Jimmy De La Cruz. Ganun sila. Kaya, ano, palaging malaging na yung nangyayari sa mga babae na yung ano ka lang, na bumili ka ng ng, inutusan ka lang ng magulang mo. Pagbalik mo, minsan ano na dyan, nakakatakot na minsan. Pagbalik mo yung anak mo, wala na. Yung nung high school, hi Sir Habibi, yung papa ko laging may dala yung itak pag nagsusundo sa akin. Para sigurado. Tapos pag naghahatid, pag naglalakad kami puntang school, marami kami. Hindi pwedeng isa lang, mag-isa ka lang. Kasi malayo ang school namin eh. Tapos wala pang masyadong naglalakad lang kami. Yes, Well. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Gelang. Hi, Marie. You like Bebe Negrito. Tapos one time, nag-work ako, tapos naglalakad ako papunta sa work ko. Papunta sa Hypotra, I'm going home. I'm going home that time. Sino ba yun dyan, idol? No hate, just love from Senchu. No hate, just love from Senchu, Taiwan. Shout out sa iyo po. Hindi ko masyadong maano kasi wala akong salamin. Guys, thank you. Thank you for the top. I appreciate that.